When you think about motorhomes, what comes to mind? Maybe oversized vehicles that can barely handle tight corners, or maybe the outdated interior designs that feel cramped and impractical. But what if I told you that the future of luxury travel has already arrived? Meet the ultimate futuristic motorhome, built with precision engineering, cutting-edge technology, and a level of comfort that is simply unmatched. Before we dive into the interior, let's talk about what powers this incredible vehicle: the suspension system. The suspension is the unsung hero of any motorhome, especially one like this. It's engineered to perfection to ensure a smooth, stable ride on any terrain. Whether you're cruising on highways or exploring rugged backroads, this motorhome will handle it all without compromising comfort. The advanced suspension system absorbs road vibrations, ensuring that the cabin remains level and quiet, even at high speeds. This allows you to feel serene and comfortable inside, regardless of what's happening outside. A smooth ride starts with the right engineering, and this motorhome has it all. Now, let's step inside and see how the future of luxury living is designed, starting with the lounge. The lounge area is where the journey truly begins. It's not just a space to sit, but a carefully curated environment that blends luxury and practicality. The layout features a sleek L-shaped dark graphite sofa, strategically placed along the wall to keep the space feeling open and airy. The sofa is complemented by a slim, low-profile table centered between the seating, creating an inviting space for relaxation or entertainment. There's no clutter here. The matte black walls and golden accent lines create a calm, grounded atmosphere, while the soft golden ceiling lighting sets a luxurious mood. The subtle electric blue lighting strips integrated into the walls enhance the futuristic vibe, and the black-tinted panoramic windows with flush integrated blinds ensure privacy while maintaining a sleek, high-end look. This lounge is built to maximize comfort, making it perfect for long trips or winding down after a day of adventure. Next, we move on to the bedroom, one of the most important spaces in any motorhome. The bedroom is designed to feel more like a sanctuary than just a place to sleep. The low-profile, round bed is integrated seamlessly into the design of the space, with a soft cushioned headboard that adds to the comfort and aesthetic. The champagne beige bedding creates a warm, inviting feel, while the dark graphite walls provide a subtle contrast. The gold accents throughout the space add a touch of elegance, and the soft golden lighting creates a serene ambience perfect for relaxation. There is ample storage with slim-side wardrobes and overhead cabinets that blend into the design. The black-tinted windows are outfitted with integrated blinds, ensuring privacy and a restful environment. This bedroom offers everything you need to rest and recharge while maintaining a high level of luxury and sophistication. Now, moving from the bedroom, let's talk about the dressing area. This space is all about functionality and elegance, designed to keep you organized in the most luxurious way possible. The dressing area is compact yet highly efficient, featuring full-height wardrobes with mirrored doors that are partially open, revealing hanging clothes. There's a slim vanity shelf with a backlit mirror, perfect for those morning routines. The warm LED lighting inside the wardrobes makes it easy to access your clothes, while the gold hardware and champagne beige cabinetry add to the overall high-end aesthetic. The golden accents throughout the space give it a subtle, luxurious glow. To make the space even more functional, the floor is designed to keep everything within reach, and the added touch of perfumes and makeup products placed on the vanity brings the space to life. It's a well-lit, well-organized dressing area that blends style and convenience seamlessly. After getting dressed, it's time to head to the kitchen, which is as efficient as it is beautiful. The kitchen in this motorhome is designed to be both compact and functional, yet it doesn't skimp on luxury. The matte black cabinetry and champagne beige countertop provide a sleek and sophisticated look, while the integrated induction cooktop and sink offer all the functionality you need for cooking on the road. The small fold-down dining shelf with two compact stools gives you a place to enjoy meals, and the golden under-cabinet lighting ensures the kitchen is well-lit and inviting. The black-tinted window with flush integrated blinds ensures privacy while maintaining a sleek exterior. The entire design focuses on maximizing space without compromising comfort or style. It's the perfect kitchen for luxurious living on the go. Now, let's move on to the office, because who says you can't work in style? The office cabin is a compact workspace that allows you to focus and get things done while traveling. The wall-integrated desk is paired with a compact ergonomic chair, providing a comfortable and efficient workspace. The dark graphite desk surface and champagne beige panels create a clean, professional environment, and the gold accents add a touch of luxury. Soft golden lighting enhances the atmosphere, while the subtle electric blue lighting gives the space a modern, futuristic feel. Whether you're catching up on emails or working on a project, this office space has everything you need to stay productive while traveling. Next up is the bathroom, which feels more like a private spa than a traditional motorhome bathroom. The bathroom is designed to be as luxurious as the rest of the interior, with light stone surfaces and matte black fixtures that complement the overall design. The glass-enclosed shower provides a modern, sleek feel, while the floating matte black vanity with an integrated sink offers ample storage and functionality. The gold accents in the fixtures bring a touch of elegance, and the soft golden lighting creates a calming, spa-like atmosphere. The black-tinted window with flush, integrated blinds ensures privacy, making the bathroom feel like your own personal retreat on the road. Finally, the cockpit completes the motorhome experience. This is where the journey truly begins. The cockpit is sleek, modern, and perfectly designed for the driver. The two forward-facing captain seats are designed for comfort, while the full-width digital dashboard offers all the necessary controls in an intuitive, easy-to-use layout. The flush integrated touch interfaces ensure everything is within reach and easy to operate. Warm golden lighting creates a cozy atmosphere in the cockpit, while subtle electric blue interface lighting adds a futuristic touch. This is more than just a driver's seat. It's the command center of a highly functional and luxurious motorhome. So, now you know what makes this motorhome so unique. But here's the real question. What would you expect to pay for something that combines luxury, precision engineering, and futuristic design? This isn't just another RV. This is a next-level lifestyle on wheels. With all the high-end finishes, technology, and design details, this motorhome is priced as you would expect for a luxury, tech-driven experience. It's an investment in comfort, convenience, and cutting-edge travel. Would you take a road trip in this luxury motorhome? Or would you prefer something more traditional? Let us know in the comments below. If you liked this video, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more motorhome tours, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss what's coming next. Your adventure awaits.